Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So you guys are lucky. I just got this PS5 with the controller. By the way, this is our second system. My son got the first one and he's already so ready. So this is the second unit. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And this one just got delivered. Wow, look at that. It says 825 gigabyte. I'm not sure what they can do, just 1 terabyte. So play like never before. Lightning speed. Harness the power of a custom CPU and SSD with the integrated input-output that rewrites the rule of what a PlayStation console can do. Breathtaking immersion. Discover a deep gaming experience with the support for haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and 3D audio technology. And stunning games. Marvel at incredible graphic and experience new PS5 features. Play a back catalog of supported PS4 games with the system update. So this one is backward compatible with the PS4. I'm not sure it's compatible with the PS3 or PS2. So on the invoice it says 1 terabyte. So I'm not sure why over here it says 825 gigabyte. So it's a little crush right here. PlayStation, PS5, PlayStation 5. And then is the model number CFI-10158. So this was a Sony. Wow, so it supports 8K or 4K 120 HDR. So the content has a PlayStation 5 console, wireless controller, and then the base. It comes with the HDMI cable, AC power cord, and USB cable, printed material, and Astro's Playroom pre-installed game. So it is factory seal. You got the Sony right here. There's a plastic handle for you to carry the box. PS5, PlayStation 5 right here. And this is what the controller look like. So it's just give you guys what it look like on the bottom. It has Sony Interactive Entertainment, Dolby Audio, DTS HD Master Audio, and then the HDMI right here. It's a Master Audio 7.1. And then that's the barcode right there. And it says made in China. For PS4 console user, you can transfer data to your PS5 console in the following ways. Connect your PS4 console and your PS5 console in the same network. Connect your extended storage drive from your PS4 console to your PS5 console. Sign into your PS5 console with the account you created on a PS4 console. You can transfer data such as gaming history and trophies, as well as profile and friends information. You must update to the latest system software version. You need to update to the latest software, or else you cannot copy it, I guess. Or so anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.